So I tried braids and twists on my natural hair, y'all, and I ain't put no braid in here. So let's get into it. So I already washed my hair and everything, and I just kind of skipped some steps because, yeah, I was missing some footage. I said I was gonna upload this like 3 months ago. And I was procrastinating. I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and put it up today in August. So what? 3 months later, here I am trying to show y'all how I put these braids and twists in. But anyway, so as you see, this is blown out hair. I always love to start off with a neat blowout so that way my hairstyle can come out amazing. So I am actually adding the kaleidoscope hair products of the Braid collection, the So Slick Edge Gel, and then for my styler I use the Braid and Lock Butter, and I just applied it on there. So as you will see, when I did these twists, I started with my roots more tighter, so I do twist tighter at the root, and then I get more loose when it goes down to the middle of my hair. Now when it gets to the end of your hair, you could put gel to seal it, or you can just like do whatever, like put a little curling cream or whatever just to seal it. But I actually decided to just do the ends more tighter, so it's kind of like tight at the roots, loose in the middle, and then tight at the end, so that way it won't come loose. And it did not come loose, it stayed like this. Once I actually twist my hair up, it normally locks up because I do have kinky hair, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. So as you see, I am continuing on, and I like to use this little parting comb. It just gets the job done when it comes down to making my part straight. So after I do that one part, I do use my fingers to create the other parts within, because you know, they don't have to be that straight. You know, it's everything, all my hair is layering over each other, so just why not? I am kind of doing minimum editing, so if I like stutter or just sound crazy or sound like I'm running out of breath, it's really because I'm just showing y'all the reality of what it is, because I'm just trying to get this video out for y'all. I mean, it's been a long time, so here I am. Somebody already wrote me and said, where's the video at? And I'm like, it's coming, girl. I said it about 3 months ago, and here I am. But anyway, so I am loving the results. I was already digging. I was liking like how like fluffy my hair was looking. It was coming out real good, okay?
That's my life, hard times like, yeah, bad trips like, yeah, Nazareth, I'm fucked up, homie, you fucked up, but if God got us, then we gon' be alright.
Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we.
So now we're gonna go ahead and add these braids in. Now I had to change up the parting comb because this one I love to use when I really want my parts to be straight. So right here I'm just trying to figure out where I'm gonna start my part. So I decided to do it right here, and as you see, I had to get that piece of hair out the way. And I'm just trying to find my placement at this point. And this is really just how I go. I just kind of go with the flow, go with how my hair is. So I just decided to do this way, and here I am just trying to make my part straight. I kind of struggled a little, but we eventually got it together. Now for the edge gel, I am still applying the So Slick Edge Gel. I'm just putting it all on the perimeter of my braid, and then what I'm going to do is just kind of like lay it down. I use my fingers to smooth the product in, and then I just kind of get a piece right here. This is going to be my starter braid, and then I just start cornrowing. Now when it comes down to cornrowing, y'all, like I was kind of struggling. And I'm over here, like as you see my focus face out. Like I look mad, my mouth was open. I was like, come on, girl, get it together. Like I was really trying to get this one braid, y'all. Y'all just don't, man, if you braid your hair yourself, you know what I'm talking about. It's a little bit struggling. But once you like start that first braid, everything else starts to come a little bit more easier. So as you see, I was getting it together. I was going a little bit slow, but I really wanted it to be perfect because I'm just not going to just show y'all anything. When I put styles out, I love to show y'all the best of the best, and I ain't going to just put anything out there. So I really wanted to get this right.
I don't talk about it, be about it, every day I see cool. If I got it, then you know you got it, heaven I can reach you. Pet dog, my dog, that's all. Big back and chat, I trap the back for y'all. I rap, I black on tracks, so rest assured. My rights, my wrongs, I right till I'm right for call. You know, we been hurt, been down before. Nigga, when our pride was low, looking at the world like, where do we go? Nigga, and we hate poor. Wanna kill us dead in the street for sure. Nigga, I'm at the preacher's door. My knees getting weak and my gun might blow, but we gon' be alright.
Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. you feel me? We gon' be alright.
So after I went on ahead and cornrow, I just started to twist my hair down the length. Now this is the easier part. Like the cornrow is a little bit difficult, but when it comes down to twisting, I can really do that. All you're doing is just wrapping each hair around each hair. I mean, ain't really much to it. So I just continue on, and this is how it is looking so far. My notification done went out. I told you I ain't really editing too much, so what you hear is what you hear. But anyway, so as you see, I'm just repeating the process of cornrowing my hair, and yeah, I mean that's just really it.
We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright.
And when I wake up, I recognize you looking at me for the pay cut. But I'ma stop me looking at you from the face down. Or Mac 11 even boom with the bass down. And let me tell you about.
Ooh, child, I was really focused right here. I was like, let me get this part right. Man, I need some glasses. Yes, I need some glasses so I can't see much. So I'm just like squinching my eyes and looking all kinds of ways, just trying to get a straight part. So I need to go ahead and get that done, get some contacts and some glasses. But anyway, so as you see, I'm just going a different direction when it comes down to cornrowing, kind of little, so that way I can have like a little like swoop of a bang, I guess you can say, in the front. You know, I like to have my hair kind of covering one eye, you know, kind of like a Leah, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so I'm doing this, and I'm just gonna braid it and put some twists in it. I was so excited that I was looking at my hair and I was like, yes, my vision is coming true. It is coming to life. As you see, that one little braid in the front right there really set it off. I was like, okay, yep, it's a wrap. Okay, anyway, so I'm just kind of swooping my little edge, you know, my edges just to see how they'll look. And yeah, I kind of found my placements, and now we're just going to continue on. This is the finished look before I actually apply my makeup on. So I am going to go ahead and apply the Yo Fave Wrapper Mousse. We're going to use this to set down our hair, tame it with any type of frizz we may have. And I just rub it in. And y'all, these twists were so beautiful. I was so proud of myself. I was like, I did that. Yeah, I did. Now I'm about to use the Funkify Soothing Braid and Scalp Spray, and I love this. It just sprayed on my scalp, and it just feels so good. And it's also supposed to help like any tightness that you may have, and just overall, it just does something to your, you know, it's a next level to your braiding style. So I sprayed it all in my face. But anyways, I'm adding this Platinum Shine Spray, and this is the finished look. I added plenty of clips. I was like, y'all gonna see this in. So yeah, as you see, the twists are just twisting, and the braids are just braiding, and the golds are just golding, and the everything is just everything. I think I'm a little bit corny. Look, I'm just being myself, okay? But anyway, this is the final look, the final results. I am in love. I hope you love it too. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about this look, or would you try it out? Let me know. Love you. Bye.